members of the fourth estate take this to the bank and take this for posterity issues, Mr. Speaker. William Ruto is not ruling this country, and David Ndii, Mr. Speaker, this is a fact you can confirm. Member of Parliament Obiero, you can confirm this. David Ndii, William Ruto's acolyte. David Ndii, William Ruto crony. David Ndii, William Ruto abotlika, Mr. Speaker, confessed to us publicly that in fact William Ruto presidency is a scam because he is hoodwinking the people, Mr. Speaker. William Samoei Ruto can work for the country, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I'm not a lawyer, but I did laws not as a cause, but as a unit. Through that, I did what we call constitutionalism. Mr. Speaker, in this country, there will be no election. We are yet to witness what we call chronology of events, because we are not going to any symbolic election because before everything is being rectified. And those people who are thinking, those people who are hallucinating that William Ruto will be automatically become the president, that they are living a lie. And I'm telling them they should learn how to juxtapose, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there is something that is affecting this country, and I want to tell you without fear of contradiction, before the members of the fourth estate take this to the bank and take this for posterity issues, Mr. Speaker. William Ruto is not ruling this country, and David Ndii, Mr. Speaker, this is a fact you can confirm. Member of Parliament Obiero, you can confirm this. David Ndii, William Ruto's acolyte. David Ndii, William Ruto crony. David Ndii, William Ruto abotlika, Mr. Speaker, confessed to us publicly that in fact William Ruto presidency is a scam because he is hoodwinking the people, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, our country lack what we call constitutionalism, the spirit of constitution, Mr. Speaker, because we are much affected by what we call neo-colonialism. It is high time, comrades, patriots, to katae hii mambo ya imperialist, because they install a president, then they would wink a president to do their will, Mr. Speaker, and that's why William Ruto can never perform. And that's from the onset initial, Mr. Speaker, I said it is opprobrious, it is oxymoron to imagine William Ruto can do favor to Kenyans, Mr. Speaker, because he was elected and he was installed and forced to us by the cabals and the cabals and the oligarchs of power, Mr. Speaker. The very day, Mr. Speaker, sisi Kenyans, and we must be extricated, Mr. Speaker. We must be emancipated in this. The very day tutakataa mambo ya wazungu hapa Kenya is the very day Kenya will be liberalized, Mr. Speaker. It is high time I'm calling this member of parliament. When Raila Amolo Odinga and this Baba, the legitimate, the consummate, the legitimate and the consummate Tinga Wenya Lego, the very day you will lead what we call a scorched revolution. I call you at large because the country is ripe for revolution. Mr. Speaker, without wasting time, I will expound later because I will observe time. There's something that I must say before here. We need a robust and a pragmatic debate here. When any member of parliament is speaking, whether he's speaking on something that you feel infringed or you feel irritated with, please allow him. When your time comes, when you are on the floor, deal with him scathingly. Deal with him cacophoriously. Deal with him ruthlessly, Mr. Speaker. Otherwise, arrest my case. Hosea Hassan, paradigm, the legitimate and the consummate paradigm shifter. I say viva. Thank you, Mr.